Hello everyone, welcome back to Defi Dragon. Today we will create a token on Solana and I will tell you how you can create your own cheapest token. The maximum amount of the fee will be 0.002 Sol. Every time you create a new token, instead of using different platforms, they will charge zero point 0.5 Sol. So you can create your own token with 0.002 Sol. So here we already create our token. It's on devnet, not mainnet. So first of all, we have to choose the logo. Like we choose this logo for our token, and we have to host this image on IPFS, and we choose the pinata, and we upload the image here, and we will get this URL link, and then we have to update this token.json. So we have to change the name, symbol, decimals, description, the image link, and our social links like Twitter, Telegram, and website. We will save this file, and also we will upload it here. This is the all details here, and we will get this link. After getting this link, our token.json is uploaded on the IPFS. Then we will use this link to our main here metadata token. So name, we can change the name here like Defi Dragon and DFD. Let me copy. And replace it here. Okay, and also we can set the amount here, and the token amount we will set here. This is the amount 10 million tokens, and this is 8 decimals. And we also can set the transfer token transfer fee. Here we can add the fee of the percentage, how much we want to charge when user buy or sell our token. And then we have to open the terminal and compile this file mint.ts, like tsc mint.ts. so it will be converted to mint.js. Then we can run this file node mint.js. And one more thing, we have to pay the Sol, so you can get the private key from your Phantom wallet. Clicking on your manage account, click on the account and show private key. So you can get the private key and paste it in the secret.json, and this will be used when we will here we are fetching the private key and the user wallet signer. So when we pay the transaction, it will be used to sign. So here we have this script, and there we can create the token, and the maximum deployment or token creation fee is 0.002 sol. So if someone interested to get this script, please contact us on Telegram.